Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Tamela. If you like the video and you like what you see, then be sure to stick around and subscribe for new videos. We would love to have y'all join a part of our little family, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be sharing my fall home tour with you guys, so if y'all are interested, then just keep watching. Here is a quick overview of my kitchen before we get started. I feel like a lot of my decor ended up here, and right now I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of what we have going on with the countertops. Now, in this corner to the left, I just have this Gather Here with Grateful Heart sign. That came from Hobby Lobby, and I want to say it was less than $10, you know, plus the 40 or 50% off. Then the cake plate was from Target, and the little ceramic pumpkins are all from the Dollar Tree. These hand towels came from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. I believe it was Home Goods, but the colors just match really well, and I always change out. Like if I'm doing anything seasonal, usually I just decorate my house for fall, but I always change out my hand towels every season. I kept things pretty simple over on this side of the counter just because we kind of keep a lot of stuff on this side, you know, with our napkin holder and rolling pin and just kind of stuff like that. This is kind of a little more of a cluttered area. So I just have this vanilla pumpkin marshmallow candle, and this is from Bath & Body Works, and I have it on a cupcake stand from the Target Dollar Spot, which if you did not know fits the Bath & Body Works candles perfectly. And then this little glittery grateful sign, which was from Hobby Lobby. Here is an overview of the top of my cabinets. I kept it kind of simple up here, but I think it really added a lot to the room when you look at it overall. But starting with the wreath on the front of my cabinets up here, I got this idea from Brittany Boren Leach, and I watched her video. I thought it looked so pretty. This wreath was from Kirkland's. I got it on a really good deal. It was less than 20 bucks, and it was the hoop wreath hung from like a strip of leather, and I didn't want to cut it off because I didn't know if I was going to use this, you know, later in the future. So I just ended up wrapping it around the command strip, and I think it looked really good. Up here on the right, I just have this thankful, grateful, blessed sign. Cliche, I know, but the color matched perfectly, and I got that from TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I'm not sure which one. And then same with the pumpkin on the right, that came from TJ Maxx as well. It was actually on clearance. Over here on the left side of the cabinet, I just have some smaller things. Now the little cupcake holders that are holding up the sign on the left, you actually can't see. You can see it because I'm like standing over the cabinets, but just down on the ground, you really can't tell if they're there. But that sign came from, I believe, TJ Maxx. And then the little pumpkins I have on the right, those are pumpkin fillers from Target. The jar is from IKEA, and then the cake plate is from Target. And I think this little area turned out really cute. I didn't know if I wanted to go big on this side as well, but I think the small stuff looks really great. This beautiful box floral came from Home Goods, and I just love what it adds to the island right there. I actually put it there just because I feel like it just makes things look a little less cluttered with like the sponge and the disposal and just everything that's kind of behind right there. And then this thankful sign came from the Dollar Tree, and it actually kind of inspired my whole like greens and teals kind of a thing just because I love the color of pumpkins on it. Over here, this candle holder came from At Home, like the, you know, not my home, but the store At Home. And then the ceramic candle came from Kirkland's. And then this cute little fall sign was only $1 from the Dollar Spot at Target. I'm not gonna lie, my coffee bar is my favorite thing in my entire house. I was so excited to decorate it. It is just like my pride and joy of fall. This is the first thing that I actually decorated, and I just love the way that it turned out. So firstly, is that a word? Yeah, first off, over top of the coffee bar, I have this little autumn acre sign, and this came from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm just gonna get into everything on the top and tell you where it's from, just because there is so much. So first, the blessed pumpkin is from, it's like a Ray Dunn pumpkin. I got it from Home Goods. The tiered tray is from Hobby Lobby, as well as the gather beads. The stir sticks are from Amazon. I've had them before, I've had them for a while. I keep them out all year round. The little ceramic pumpkins are from the Dollar Tree. The fall mugs, again, Ray Dunn from either TJ Maxx or Home Goods. The little checked pumpkin, the green one, is from Hobby Lobby. And then in the back, you can't see what it says, but I think it says Cuddle Weather back there. And that one is from Hobby Lobby as well. I didn't do much to the living room. I feel like the kitchen got the majority of our decor, but I did add this little throw pillow from At Home, and it just says Happy Fall, y'all. I felt like it went perfectly. And then over next to our TV stand, I added these fabric pumpkins into our blanket basket, and I love the way that this turned out. If you watch my fall decor with me, then you know I didn't have the blanket in there at first, and it kind of looked weird, but just kind of adding the blanket in there and these really neutral pumpkins. Both of the pumpkins came from TJ Maxx, and the blanket basket is actually like a Magnolia Home product, but I got it at TJ Maxx, so very inexpensive, and I just love the way that the look turned out. Also kept it super simple with our entryway table. I just added this box floral to the top, which I had a different box floral up there anyway, so I just kind of switched them out. And then underneath, I added some burlap pumpkins from the Dollar Tree of all places, which I think they look fantastic for coming from the Dollar Tree, underneath there on our candle holders. Above our dining room table, I just added that really neutral fall sweet fall sign from Hobby Lobby. And then last but not least is our dining room table. You guys know, if you watched the fall decor with me, I kind of had a hard time deciding what would go on here, and I'm still not 100% sure about this, but I do like it better. I do think it adds some height. So the table runner is from Home Goods, or no, it's from TJ Maxx. And then these clear vases are from Walmart, actually, super good deal. And then I just added some more of that pumpkin filler from Target into each of those, and I think it adds some height. I really like the table runner, but I'm still trying to decide what else I need. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave them down in the comments below. But I think it looks great for now. But that is the end of my fall home tour, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope that y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys in the next one.